Hello class, and welcome to the course. My name is David Perez, and I will be your instructor this semester. I'd like to start with a welcome, um, and just to tell you, that you picked the right course. You should have fun. It's going to be engaging, and it's going to prepare you for the workforce. Um, I'm sharing the screen here with you to show you what you will be seeing when you open up your course. This is an all online course, so it will be implemented through Canvas. If you're unfamiliar with Canvas, I do provide resources for you on how to navigate it. But not only that is I'm going to cover a little bit of the navigation here in this video, introduction video. So the first page is your home page. This will tell you a little bit about the course, a little bit about myself, office hours, email addresses. I even provide my cell phone there. I will tell you if you need to get a hold of me, preferably through email, and it would be Canvas inbox, which you will get to learn that. But yes, feel free to get a hold of me. I would ask you to give me 24 to 48 hours for me to respond back to you through email. If it is an emergency, I do provide my cell phone there for that purpose. I would ask you to text me, and then at that point, I would call you back, or text you back that I'll be getting a hold of you. That's only for emergency purposes. It tells you a little bit about the duration of the course, 100% online. So again, I would ask you to read this homepage. It's got a lot of valuable information on there, and it will give you a little bit of aspect about the class and stuff. So next place you want to go to is click on the syllabus page. That'll give you all the information you need to know about the class. The course is like I mentioned, entry preparedness to the workforce 101. The syllabus will give you everything you need to know of what's going to be entailed in the course. Do read this syllabus, guys, because there will be a quiz on the syllabus with some vital information on there that you need to know. So make sure you get this and read through it. The biggest place that you need to go for any assignments, quizzes that you will have throughout the semester is your modules page. And if you can see here, I clicked on modules. This is what you will do as a student. Click on there, and it will have every unit that you will be doing in this course. And usually every unit will be about 2 weeks long, sometimes 3, depending on the length of the assignments or the material on the assignments or the coursework we will be going over. But yes, here's your assignments and your adventures. I call them adventures, but they're actually the modules. So the first module is your getting started module. This will be where I cover the course orientation, which I'm doing now. Adventure 2 is your employment application. I will help you with filling out applications, what do's and don'ts you need to know about that. And Adventure 3 is your resume building. In this unit, we'll be working with resumes, and I'll be helping you how to fill out a resume, a professional resume that'll hopefully get you ready for the workforce. So the course is still under development, guys. So as of right now, I only have 3 adventures, but as we go along, there'll be more information in there. So I would again welcome you to the course. I'm excited about this course, and I'm hoping that you are as well. And I look forward to your introductions while I get to know you and build that online community. And I will have a little skit there as well. So I look forward to having you in my class, and welcome. Have a good day.